Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you a simple but fun way to decorate cupcakes for Easter. All you're going to need is a pastry bag. I've got a star tip. I've got yellow Wilton's icing that I'm using. And you're just going to need some peeps, some jelly beans, and I've used a green cupcake sleeve, and I've just used vanilla cake mix. So just bake your cupcakes as directed, and then from there it's just a simple assembly. And I've also got pipe cleaners that I'm going to be using too. And we're going to make little Easter baskets. Okay, after you've got the cupcake frosted, then you're just going to take your pipe cleaner, make your little basket handle, and take a peep. I've got the peep bunny here. Just stick it in. And now we're just going to take a few little jelly beans. Put here on the front, and there you have it. And there you go. Cute little cupcakes that the kiddos will love. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications button. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.